Moving on in this example, I need to finish the slot toolpath and properly set up the roughing and finishing and linking parameters.
At the end of the previous video, I accepted the rest of the default settings, and we can see I have a bit of a problem because of that.
The roughing parameter will determine how many and how large the rough cuts are, while the finishing parameters will set the size and number of finished passes. To get started, I'll select the parameters for the slotting operation, followed by the rough/finish. I'll leave the default ramp angle at 3 degrees. I'll set the step over to 70% and the number of finished passes to 1 at a spacing of 0.025. I'll leave the keep the tool down box unchecked because I'm going to add the other 3 slots once I'm happy with this toolpath and do not want the tool trying to wrap it through the part. Now I'll select the depth cuts. Enable them. Set the maximum rough step to the radius of the tool, which is 5/32, and then enable the breakthrough, as well as set this amount to 0.025. Next, I'll select the linking parameters. And the reason the tool went too deep is that the depth value is set to incremental, 3/4, so it will go 3/4 below the selected geometry. I'll switch it to absolute and make the depth -3/4. I'll enable the flood coolant and accept these selections. Now I'll regenerate the toolpath. The cut lines look good. So I'll run the verify simulator. The stock looks good. The simulation looks good. I'll rotate the part around to verify the cutter did go all the way through, and I'll right click in the graphics area and select the isometric view. I'll exit the simulator and save my work.